Imagine a world where the skies are no longer limits but gateways to the future. Buckle up as we embark on a journey into the thrilling realm of cutting-edge aviation, where science fiction becomes reality and the sky is no longer the limit, but the launch pad to our wildest dreams. Copter Pack is an electric backpack helicopter with a self-leveling autopilot. The lightweight airframe is constructed from carbon fiber honeycomb. The aim is to create a personal aircraft that sets the benchmark for safety and performance. The unique characteristic of Copter Pack is that your body becomes part of the aircraft. The third one, Lift Aircraft Hexa. It has distributed electric propulsion. 18 independent electric motors and propellers are the only moving parts needed for perfectly stable, controlled flight. Capable of landing on both land and water, Hexa has 4 perimeter floats for buoyancy and stability and a 5th center float filled with energy-absorbing foam for added buoyancy and hard landing protection. The first one, Omni Hoverboard. The Omni Hoverboard is the first propeller-based aeronautical vehicle for a freestanding pilot. This achievement of producing the first flying hoverboard garnered attention unlike anything we could ever have imagined. From the Carnival in Rio de Janeiro to the Cup finals of multiple countries, we flew for some of the biggest audiences around the world. The HoverSurf's hoverbikes were designed for both recreational and potential military applications. These vehicles resembled a combination of a motorcycle and a drone, capable of hovering above the ground and carrying a rider. One of their notable creations was the Hoverbike S3 2019, which was designed for short flights and could be used for tasks such as patrolling, surveillance, and recreational flying. It was powered by electric motors and could be operated by a pilot or autonomously. The Zapata Flyboard Air is an innovative personal flying device developed by the French company Zapata. The Flyboard Air is essentially a jet-powered hoverboard that allows a single rider to hover and fly through the air. It is powered by multiple turbine engines that provide thrust and lift. The rider stands on a platform with hand controls to adjust altitude and direction. The device is stabilized using a combination of computer-controlled systems. The Flyboard Air attracted interest for its potential applications in various fields, including recreation, transportation, and military use. However, it also raised safety and regulatory concerns, given the complexity of operating such a device and the potential risks involved. The Kitty Hawk Heaviside electric aircraft is capable of taking off and landing vertically, similar to a helicopter. The Heaviside aircraft was notable for its focus on reducing noise pollution and its potential for urban transportation. The aircraft's name was a reference to Oliver Heaviside, a British scientist known for his work in electromagnetism. Kitty Hawk had been conducting test flights and was actively working on refining the design and technology of the Heaviside aircraft. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.